The United States leads the world in Doritos consumption, with an astonishing 1,140,000,000 bags consumed each year. To meet this massive demand, Frito-Lay processes millions of tons of corn, maintaining large-scale production around the clock. But how do they achieve such an impressive level of manufacturing? To find out, we're heading inside one of their facilities in the United States. Doritos have a curious and unexpected origin. They were born in a restaurant inside Disneyland during the 1960s. Back then, at Casa de Fritos, the staff came up with a creative way to reuse leftover corn tortillas. Instead of throwing them away, they cut them into triangles, fried them, and added salt. What started as a solution to avoid food waste became the foundation of a snack that would go on to conquer the world. It didn't take long for Frito-Lay to see the potential of this new chip. In 1964, the company brought it to market. At first, Doritos were just plain tortilla chips without any added flavor, but they were an instant success. The real breakthrough came in 1967 with the introduction of the first flavored variety, taco. It was a bold move that turned the product into a sales phenomenon. 5 years later, in 1972, the legendary nacho cheese flavor made its debut. A blend of cheese and spices, it became the brand's signature taste. Over time, Doritos continued to evolve, releasing unique flavors tailored to different markets, from Cool Ranch in North America to exotic variations like wasabi in Asia. Today, millions of bags of Doritos are produced daily in factories that combine technology and precision to guarantee the same crunch and unmistakable flavor in every chip. But how is that massive production achieved? It all starts with corn, the essential ingredient behind every Dorito. Specific varieties are grown on vast agricultural fields, selected for their texture, flavor, and ability to absorb seasoning. These crops are planted in regions with optimal climates and nutrient-rich soil, using advanced precision farming techniques. From the moment of planting, intelligent irrigation systems, balanced fertilization, and satellite monitoring are used to ensure uniform growth and a high-quality harvest. When the crops reach maturity, they are harvested using specialized machinery that minimizes damage to the kernels. The corn then undergoes a rigorous cleaning process using screens and air currents that remove dust, stones, and other impurities. For storage, it is dried until it reaches a moisture level of 15%, ideal for preservation and later processing. On average, each production plant receives 40 tons of dry corn per day, which is stored in high-capacity silos designed to keep the raw material in optimal condition. The industrial process begins with cooking the corn. In massive boilers with agitators, the kernels are quickly heated to 93 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes, beginning the softening phase. Next, they are transferred to open tanks and soaked in water for 12 hours. This process allows the kernels to absorb moisture, making it easier to remove the husks and prepare them for grinding. Over the course of a year, the factories process more than 6 million kilos of corn, operating non-stop 24 hours a day. After going through a series of transformation stages, the corn becomes the base of a snack that has taken over the world. Doritos. But what happens next? From the dough to the packaging, every step is designed to guarantee the perfect crunch and that unforgettable flavor. In the next stage of production, each boiler processes around half a ton of corn, along with nearly 100 liters of water. After soaking, the kernels are pumped into an industrial washer. There, powerful water jets remove any remaining husks and impurities, ensuring that only clean, fully hydrated kernels move on to the next step. After washing, the corn is sent to the grinding section. In this phase, large rotating stones crush the kernels into a smooth, pliable dough. To achieve the ideal texture, precise amounts of water are added, making sure the mixture has the right moisture and consistency for further processing. Before moving forward, the dough undergoes strict quality checks. Factors such as temperature, moisture level, and elasticity are carefully evaluated. Once approved, the dough is flattened into a thin, continuous sheet using high-pressure metal rollers. This process ensures an even thickness across the sheet before cutting. This is where future Doritos take on their iconic triangular shape. A specially designed cutter rolls over the dough, slicing it into precise triangles, maximizing the use of raw material and preparing each piece for the final transformation. Any leftover scraps are not wasted. They are reintegrated into the process to maintain production efficiency. Next, the dough triangles enter a multi-level industrial oven, where they are exposed to temperatures of up to 340 degrees Celsius. In just a few seconds, the heat evaporates part of the moisture and creates tiny bubbles on the surface, which will contribute to the final product's crunch. However, the real magic happens in the next phase, frying. The pre-cooked triangles are submerged in hot oil at 183 degrees Celsius. In less than a minute, the dough changes texture, turns golden, and develops its crispy structure. During this process, small air pockets trapped in the dough expand, giving each chip the signature bubbled appearance of a Dorito. But there is still one crucial step left: flavor. After coming out of the fryer, the Doritos enter a seasoning chamber where they are coated with a blend of spices and flavorings that define each variety. This final touch transforms a simple corn triangle into an irresistible, bold snack full of personality. Every Dorito goes through a meticulous process that ensures its crunchy texture and unmistakable flavor, two key elements that have made it one of the most popular snacks in the world. Once the golden triangles emerge from the fryer, they travel along a series of specially designed conveyor belts that gradually cool them down. This step is essential to stabilize the texture and remove excess heat before seasoning. During this stage, quality inspectors monitor each batch, removing any chips with imperfections such as burns or irregular shapes. The next step is seasoning, where Doritos acquire their iconic flavor profile. First, a fine mist of canola oil is sprayed over them to help the spice blend stick evenly. Then, they enter a rotating drum where they are dusted with the exact combination of ingredients that defines each flavor. This blend may include cheddar cheese, parmesan, paprika, garlic powder, and other seasonings that enhance the taste. The constantly rotating drum ensures every chip receives a uniform layer of spices, maintaining high quality in every bite. The brand has developed a wide range of flavors, adapting to different preferences and markets. Classic cheddar cheese remains an undisputed favorite, offering a perfect balance between creaminess and a hint of salt. However, experimentation has led to the creation of bolder varieties, like spicy nacho, which adds a spicy twist to the traditional flavor, or the refreshing Cool Ranch, with its blend of herb and dairy notes. For fans of intense heat, Flamin' Hot delivers a fiery explosion, while limited editions and regional flavors have been launched to capture new trends and win over palates around the world. This innovative approach to blending ingredients and spices has made Doritos much more than just a snack. They are a full sensory experience in every crunch, designed to surprise and delight consumers with every bag. Packaging is one of the most critical stages in Doritos production, as it ensures freshness and quality all the way to the consumer's hands. After cooling and being coated with their signature seasoning, the chips are carefully transported to the packaging area, where an automated system weighs and distributes each portion with maximum precision. The packaging machines use a complex system of multiple digital scales to calculate the exact amount of Doritos for each bag. This detailed control not only ensures the correct weight, but also helps optimize production by preventing unnecessary waste. Once the proper portion is measured, the chips drop into bags that are specially designed to preserve their texture and flavor. Before the bags are sealed, nitrogen is injected inside. This inert gas replaces the oxygen, reducing the risk of oxidation that could affect product quality over time. Nitrogen also serves another important function. It gently inflates the bags, creating a cushion of air that protects the chips from breaking or getting crushed during transport and storage. The sealing of the bags is done using a heat system that ensures an airtight closure, preventing any air from getting in and compromising the freshness of the product. These machines operate at high speed, processing thousands of bags per minute. Once sealed, the bags are grouped into reinforced cardboard boxes, ready for distribution. Before leaving the factory, each box is labeled and strategically organized for shipping. From there, Doritos begin their journey to supermarkets and stores around the world, ensuring that every bag maintains the flavor and texture that have made this snack a global favorite. Doritos has become a symbol of youth thanks to its innovative marketing strategy. From the beginning, Frito-Lay has targeted a young audience with modern, fun, and bold messaging that reflects their lifestyle. One of the brand's most effective tactics has been its strong presence at major events like the Super Bowl. There, its commercials not only reach millions of people, but also generate conversation across social media. In addition, the brand has used sponsorships, celebrity collaborations, and interactive contests to keep its audience engaged. Thanks to these strategies, Doritos has stayed in the public imagination as a bold and vibrant snack, maintaining its popularity over time. And that is the full process behind the mass production of Doritos. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next video.